We went out to tender for our apprenticeship delivery several years ago now. Stevenson College was one of the colleges that we visited, and they came up top because they were the most flexible in wanting to work with an employer, so that we retained that driving seat position whereby the programme would be tailored to what we need.
We are charged with government to deliver high quality apprenticeship programmes. We can do that where we have the partnerships, the communication, the support and the trust that we have between ourselves and Bamnuttle.
Well, I chose an apprentice scheme instead of university because I felt that the apprentice was more hand-on, and it basically got me in the real world instead of just being sat in a classroom.
The appeal for me for doing an apprenticeship rather than going to university is to learn from a more vocational point of view rather than just purely academic.
We made the decision to embed ICE technician membership within our HND programme, and we're also looking at trying to embed into the programme technician membership of the Institute of Civil Engineering Surveyors to give it a professional feel, and to also get our students used to working within the institution and to get them to meet people within the institution and feel part of the civil engineering community.
In HND2 we've got to actually present to the ICES board, so we have to do a good job, and if they're impressed, it's a great stepping stone for us in the future.
I think it'll help me to kickstart my career because I'll already have took more steps than a lot of the people who have gone more traditional routes of uni, and I'll have the experience to go with it also.
It's an award-winning programme, and the fact that we've been recognised for all our efforts and hard work and the work we put into the programme is only going to develop the programme even further.
I'm at college doing concreting, curbing and scaffolding, and that's going to get me through my MVQ, which I'm doing next year for the assessments. I'm learning all the time, and I don't have any debt obviously.
When I applied for uni, you also apply for the government student finance, so I now have 4 years worth of student debt to deal with. The idea of an apprenticeship, if I could have done it then, I would have done it.
Being a mentor, I actually get a lot back, because it means that I have to think about what I'm asking the apprentice to do, so I have to make sure that I'm giving them the right instructions. I've come from an apprentice background myself and I've got to where I am today, and that's only because people have helped me along the way. So I'm only too pleased to give that back to the apprentices of today.
People think that it's a lower grade because it's not a BSc or a BEng or an MEng, but you get a lot of invaluable site experience working with the site engineers, section engineers and the foremen that you don't get at a university. It's not a B grade route, it's as good as having a degree.